Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can change your mobile number on your Facebook account. So in order to do that, I hope you have logged in into your Facebook account, and once you have done that, on the top right of your screen, as you can see, there is a arrow icon. You want to click on that. Once you have clicked on this pop-up window will pop up, and I want you to click on settings and privacy. Finally, click on settings one more time, and then you will be on this page. And finally, once you have done that, you will be on this general settings. But if you look at the left side of your screen, there are all these options, and within them mobile is one of them. So go ahead and click on the mobile option. And finally, once you have done that, your phone number should be here, which you can remove right here. You can also add another phone number, or you can change your number by clicking on edit right over here. Finally, once you have done that, in order to change your phone number, you'll have to add another mobile number first and then remove this one. So you know what I mean. So basically all you have to do is click on add another phone number, and then add your number right over here, the different one, and then click on continue, and Facebook will send a one-time password on your mobile phone through text message, and you'll just have to write the same text message on your Facebook over here, and then your phone number will be added. And then you can remove your old phone number by clicking on remove, and then over here when you click on edit and click on this arrow icon, your both numbers will pop up here, and you can change within the two. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.